Our universe is a vast and mysterious place. We humans are driven by curiosity. We yearn to understand the unknown. This is what draws us to unexplained events. These are the puzzles that seem to defy logic and challenge our understanding of the world. They are like whispers from the void, hinting at forces beyond our comprehension. Some dismiss these events as hoaxes or misinterpretations, but for others, they represent a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown. They force us to confront the limitations of our knowledge. They remind us that there are still wonders in this universe that we have yet to fathom. These events are not merely curiosities. They have the power to shape our culture and inspire our imaginations. They fuel countless stories, movies, and works of art. Consider the enduring fascination with UFOs, ghosts, and other paranormal phenomena. These mysteries resonate with something deep within us. The study of unexplained events is not about finding definitive answers. It is about embracing the unknown and engaging in the thrill of exploration. It is about asking difficult questions and challenging our assumptions about the nature of reality itself. Let us now journey together into the heart of some of the most perplexing unexplained events in history. In the high desert of New Mexico, there is a town called Taos. It is a place of stunning beauty and rich history, but since the 1990s it has also been a place of strange and unsettling sounds. Residents there have reported hearing a low-frequency hum. It is a persistent and pervasive noise, often described as similar to the distant drone of a diesel engine. This is the Taos Hum, and it has baffled investigators for decades. Despite numerous attempts to identify the source of the sound, no definitive explanation has been found. Some have suggested that it is caused by industrial equipment or geological activity. Others have proposed more exotic theories, including secret government experiments or even extraterrestrial technology. The Taos Hum is a stark reminder that our world is full of mysteries that defy easy explanation. It is a sonic enigma that continues to intrigue and perplex researchers to this day. The hum stands as a testament to the limits of our understanding. It is a phenomenon that challenges us to consider the possibility that there are forces at work in the universe that we are only just beginning to grasp. The Ural Mountains of Russia are a place of rugged beauty and unforgiving wilderness. It was here in the winter of 1959 that a group of 9 experienced hikers met a tragic and mysterious end. This event would become known as the Dyatlov Pass incident, and it remains one of the most perplexing unsolved mysteries of the 20th century. The hikers, all students or graduates of the Ural Polytechnic Institute, were on a skiing expedition to Mount Otorten. On February 2nd, they set up camp on the slopes of a nearby mountain, later renamed Dead Mountain in honor of the tragedy. What happened next is a matter of speculation and debate, pieced together from the evidence found at the campsite and from the autopsies performed on the hikers' bodies. The hikers' tent was found abandoned, ripped open from the inside as if in a desperate attempt to escape. The bodies themselves were scattered around the area, some partially clothed and some with strange injuries, including skull fractures, chest trauma, and internal bleeding. Adding to the mystery, some of the victims' clothing was later found to be radioactive. Soviet investigators at the time were unable to determine a definitive cause of death. Their final report concluded that the hikers had been killed by a compelling natural force. However, this explanation has done little to quell the speculation surrounding the incident. Over the years, numerous theories have been put forward to explain the Dyatlov Pass incident, ranging from avalanches and hypothermia to more outlandish ideas like Yeti attacks, military experiments, and even UFO encounters. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is one of the most profound endeavors in human history. It is a quest driven by our innate curiosity and our desire to know whether or not we are alone in the vastness of space. In 1977, astronomers at the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio detected a signal so unusual and so powerful that it seemed for a brief moment to confirm our hopes of finding intelligent life beyond Earth. This signal, which became known as the wow signal due to the excited notation made by astronomer Jerry Amon on the original printout, was a strong, narrow-band radio signal that lasted for 72 seconds and originated from the constellation Sagittarius. Despite numerous attempts to reacquire the signal, it has never been detected again. The wow signal remains a tantalizing enigma. It is a fleeting whisper from the depths of space that hints at the possibility of other civilizations out there trying to make contact. While the wow signal may have been a false alarm, it serves as a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries and that there is still so much we don't know about the cosmos. Sometimes, it is not signals from the stars that perplex us, but rather, strange occurrences closer to home, distortions in our shared reality. One such phenomenon is the Mandela Effect, named after Nelson Mandela, whom many people erroneously believed had died in prison in the 1980s when he actually passed away in 2013. The Mandela Effect refers to the phenomenon of large groups of people sharing a false memory of a past event. For example, many recall the children's book series being titled The Berenstain Bears, when it is actually The Berenstain Bears. Other examples include the color of Mr. Monopoly's monocle, which he never had, and the exact quote from Darth Vader in Star Wars, "No, I'm your father, not Luke, I am your father." While there are psychological explanations for the Mandela Effect, such as false memories and confabulation, some have proposed more radical theories suggesting that these shared false memories are evidence of alternate realities or parallel universes bleeding into our own. These are just a few of the many unexplained events that continue to captivate our imaginations and challenge our understanding of the world. They are reminders that we live in a universe full of wonder and mystery, and that there is still so much we don't know.